How did I make these necklaces from peach seeds? Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and a new video about a new handcraft idea. Sometimes it happens that I want to use extraordinary accessories, and most of the time I don't like what it has made in factories, boring as stuff. Don't you agree? An idea just came in my mind about the peach seeds because they are beautiful and different and suitable for make something new and crazy like a necklace. This is my first video about it, but I have a plan to make more things with these stunning seeds. So come and join me today and let's make something new. My name is Alale and I'm here to share my handcraft with you. If you like my channel, that would be awesome to subscribe it, or even better to share the videos with your friends. So let's get started. The technique is very easy. You just need a transparent wood glue, sandpaper, colors, vitral is very good for this, and some jewelry basements such as ring, beads and strings. The first step is quite easy. Just remove a thin layer of peach seed with your sandpaper, but please be very careful because the sandpaper can harm your fingers easily. We don't need to remove all the textures, just sand it till the seed's color become cream from the red, and when you touch it must feel soft with no sharp edges. Also, you should sand one side of seed. The less sharp side is much easier till you reach a very flat surface. We use this part for gluing a bead on it so you can hang the seed from it. As you see, my seed found new cream color, but because I didn't sand it completely, there is some red lines exist and I love it. So we shall go to the next step, coloring time. I'm using vitral color because it's shiny, have a texture like glass after drying, and it's very strong color and stick to the material for a long time. But if you didn't have it, you can use any other colors, and after drying use killer or varnish to give a shiny texture to your seed. A bit after drying, I use again my sandpaper to bring the texture back again. It's not always necessary, but I like to do that. If you didn't, you can use it simple with no texture. Glue a wooden bead to head of the seed and then add a ring to the bead. You can add more ring and bead to it. You can make some details around it and you're free to add your style to this necklace. I'll be glad if you made it and share it with me on any link below. And here it is, the final result, a very easy and quick necklace. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and if you liked the idea, please comment on my video and tell me what you think. Love you all, see you soon.